I don't know if you've noticed my very wonky Akubra, but it's been driving me crazy. So I've got a lovely Akubra that I've not taken care of properly, as you're supposed to do. And you can see I've gotten all these wobbly edges here. So the YouTube tells me that it's not that hard to fix, so I'm going to give it a go today. I've got my kettle all ready to go. Just going to steam the edges and try and press them flat. And if I can get it back to a flat shape, then I might be able to get it into a nice shape that will sit a little bit nicer on me than it does at the moment. Poor old thing, it's been wet and it's been left sitting in the hot car, and we do have a hat holder for it in the car to hold it off its brim, off its crown, but over time it's just gotten a little bit out of shape. So we're going to see if we can fix it, give it a go. Alrighty, so I got the kettle boiled. I've got a nice stream of steam coming out the top there, and apparently all I have to do is run the steam across the wonky bits and it'll loosen up the fibres in the felt, and it'll allow me to reshape it and stretch it back to its proper shape. So let's give it a go. Now they said don't do it on the inside because it can affect your hat band. Mine's got a material hat band, not a leather hat band, so it shouldn't lose its sizing too much, but we're going to do it on the outside. It's feeling just a little bit damp now, damp and warm, so oh wow, that's pretty effective straight off. I think it'll take me a few goes. She's pretty wonky, but I can kind of see how that's going to work, I think. The man I watched on the YouTube had a lovely round shaped belly, and he rounded his off on his belly. But I'm going for a flat shape, so I'm going to use my bench. I'll keep working on that and show you when I'm done. Alright, I've worked on that for 5 minutes, and you can see how straight the edges have got now. I've pretty much got the kinks out of those. Now, I think it's not supposed to come up at the front. I think this style was actually supposed to come down at the front, so I'm going to let it sit for a little while, and then I'm going to try and restyle it a little bit, make it sit a little bit better on my head, which it never really did in the first place. So, but I'm pretty happy. I've definitely taken the wobbles out. YouTube for the win.